Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to pair guys Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone. So how can you pair in this video guys? I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Then first of all we will on our phone setting to pair Wi-Fi network. Then guys you can see phone connection and Wi-Fi setting. Guys tap here. Guys click on your Wi-Fi setting. As you can see your Wi-Fi is disabled. So then first of all we will enable Wi-Fi setting. As you can see guys this advanced setting your Wi-Fi setting as you can use from here guys. When fish network guys you want to pair in your Samsung phone guys you can pair from here. So guys you can see guys my I have guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi and I will enter my Wi-Fi password to pair this network. Friends, you want to check password, friends, you can check from here. Let's click on this and option tap here to pair. Then after 4 and 5 seconds, guys, Wi-Fi network will pair and guys we can use. Guys, you don't have your mobile data, guys, you can pair Wi-Fi network. After pair, guys, you can use your YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat app, guys, you can use in your Samsung phone, guys. So like that, guys, you can pair Wi-Fi network and you can use in your Samsung phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, friends. We will meet on next video. Bye, friends.